Many reforestation projects in the Philippines focus on fast growing tree species such as mahogany and melina. Although these grow quickly, they are not native in the Philippines and can actually be harmful to local biodiversity.
Invasive tree species compete with local plants for nutrients, sunlight, and space. And over time, they can dominate entire areas and make it hard for native trees to survive.
Native trees are our safe bet since we know they support local wildlife, from insects to birds to forest mammals. They help restore the natural balance of our ecosystem.
So before joining tree planting initiatives, it is best if we actually research and plant native species like the Nara, Molave, or the Manaba.